I need to go inside, Lily.
Are you going inside today, Kevin?
Yes, I have an appointment right now.
But the doors are still locked. Actually,
Locked? But I have an appointment today.
what time is your appointment exactly?
2 o'clock. Is that not now?
It's only 1:45 right now.
Oh, I'm 15 minutes too early then.
Early is good, better than being late.
True, but I really need to go in.
Why the hurry? Everything okay, Kevin?
I need to use the restroom honestly.
Oh, that's very urgent then. I see.
Yes, very, very urgent right now. Honestly.
The side door is open. Try that one.
Side door. Where is that exactly?
Turn right. Small green door on the left.
Turn right, then look left. Got it.
Knock twice. Security will let you in.
Knock twice. Okay, I'll do that.
Tell them you have an appointment inside.
Tell them I have an appointment. Got it.
And mention the restroom situation too, Kevin.
Yes, restroom first, then the appointment.
Priorities are very important in life, Kevin.
Exactly, restroom is priority number 1 today.
Go quickly. Don't waste any more time.
Going now, thank you so much, Lily.
Come back and tell me what happened.
Only if the story has a happy ending.
It better have a happy ending.
Security, open the door. Going in now, Lily.
Finally. Run, Kevin. Run very fast.
Running now. Thank you, Lily.
Please wait outside. For a moment, sir.
Wait outside, but why exactly?
The doctor is with another patient right now.
Oh, okay. How long will that take?
Maybe 15 minutes. Not too long.
15 minutes. Okay, I'll wait then.
There are seats just outside the door.
Seats outside. Okay, I see them now.
We'll call you when we're ready.
Call me? You mean shout my name?
Yes, exactly. We call names out loud.
Okay, my name is Chris. Please remember.
Don't worry. It's already on our list.
Good. I was worried. You might forget.
We never forget. Our patients here, Chris.
Sorry, first time here. A little nervous.
That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way.
Even regular patients feel nervous here.
Even doctors get nervous at other clinics.
Really. That makes me feel much better.
Good. Now, please wait outside for us.
Can I bring water inside with me?
Of course. Water is completely fine, Chris.
Good. My throat feels very dry today.
The water machine is just down the hall.
Down the hall? Which direction exactly?
Turn left. The big blue machine's on the right.
Turn left, then right. Got it, thanks.
And please, don't wander too far away.
Wander? I'm not going anywhere, honestly.
Good. We'll call you very soon, Chris.
Okay, I'll be right outside, waiting.
Perfect. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you, Natalie. You're very kind.
Just doing my job. Wait outside now.
Going now. Please don't forget about me.